Hey boos, welcome to my very first makeup tutorial. I'm so excited because I've wanted to do this for the longest time, and here we are. Make sure you like and subscribe because that's what everyone says, and I'm going to say it too. Bam! So here is my lovely daughter Sori. This look is for competition or recitals. I'm not an expert, but I do my best, and I think it looks great on stage, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a primer. I will list all the products I use below in the description. I put little dots like in a plus sign and blend it all in. Next, I like to brush her eyebrows. I really don't do anything else to them. I like to keep them all natural. So I also use a eyelid primer. I like to start with the eyes, just a preference. You can start with either the face or the eyes, either one. If you want to start with the face, just fast forward and then you can rewind later for the eyes. Just apply that primer to the whole eyelid, spread it all around, make sure you blend it in. I tape the outside of her eyes just to get a more even line with the eyeshadow. Okay, here it is. She's been wanting to do this for the longest time, the infamous YouTube show product pose. We use Juvia Place, which we love. The pigmentation is awesome. The base color I put on first is Cano, and I'm probably butchering these names, but you get the point. I then add Mino to her crease and outer lid. I put Idea on the lid, and to help it stick, I add Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. You just need one spray to wet it a little, and you just pat it on gently. Then afterward, you just want to blend these two colors together. I like to put a little highlighter under the brow, so I use the More Remy from the palette. So pay no attention to the person on the left. I look a hot mess. Anyway, now onto the eyeliner. I feel that it brings everything together. If you would like a tutorial on how to apply eyeliner, comment below. But I try to go to the shape of her eyes. Even though I'm applying lashes, I like to put on mascara just so her lashes are tamed and in one place. If you need a tutorial on lashes, I can do that too. Just comment below or just stick it on there. Whatever works for you, hey, do it. So I do use a foundation on her face. I recently started doing this because I find it just creates a solid base. And with this foundation, a little goes a long way. It's Juvia's Place, Lagos number 240, and I evenly coat it on her face. Now I'm going to use Fenty Beauty matchsticks to contour her face. I find it just makes her face pop even more on stage. The first one I use here is Suede, and so I just make little triangles underneath her eye, little lines on top of her forehead, a line going down her nose and on her chin. And then I take my beauty blender and I just blend, 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 blend. Make sure it goes all the way into her skin. The next thing I use is Espresso, which comes in a trio with Suede and a highlight called Cinnamon. But I put Espresso on the hairline, on the bottom of her cheek, on the outside of her nose, and on the bottom of her chin. And then you just want to blend that in as much as possible also. Next, you're going to want to use some blush. A dancer is not complete without blush. It makes them look even cuter on stage if that's possible. So yeah, pile on that blush. Now we're going to go in with the last part of Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, the third part of the trio, which is Cinnamon. It's a highlight. So we're going to put that on her nose, on the top of her eyebrows, on the top of her cheeks, and on the top of her lip. And then you just want to blend that in as much as possible. Just gives them a nice little glow on stage. Then I add just a little of that color I used from the beginning, Idea, under her eye. Then Suri finishes out the look with a red lip. Yes, you might want to apply a chapstick before you put on your lipstick, just so your lips are not too dry. She usually applies about 2 or 3 coats of the lipstick just to make sure it's all the way on. Uh-oh, she cute. Yes, you better pose. So I always spray a lot of makeup setting spray because we need this to last for hours. So don't be shy, really spray that on. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial for competitions and recitals, or just to go out. If you like this look, go ahead and try it. If you would like a tutorial on anything else, let me know. Hair, stretches, parkour, let me know. I got it all. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay lovely. Bye.